What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. By the title of this video, you know something bad happened, and if you follow my Instagram, you will also have already seen all the damage that was done to my BRZ. So pretty much this morning is being dedicated to calling adjusters and figuring out how much damage is actually done. So in the grand scheme of things, what happened was I was waiting to get coffee, waiting for a drive-through window person to drive through, and I stopped my car and a person backed right into me and damaged my door and my quarter panel. The thing is, I have so many other videos recorded right now that I still need to edit out, but this is kind of taking up most of my time. And the thing that sucks the most about what happened too is the lady literally admitted to me that she wasn't using her rear view camera, and that's the reason she hit me. So I'm gonna show you guys the damage here in a little bit, but right now, if you guys know, this car started a lot of things for me, and it hurts. The entire reason I started a YouTube channel was because of this car, and I've got a lot of friends along the way from it, and now I know the car's not totaled, and I'm still driving the car right now, but it doesn't look how I want it to look because it got smashed because someone just didn't pay attention. And mentally it hurts because this car means a lot to me, and it sounds really dumb probably, but it hurts. And I would totally show you guys the dash cam footage, but since it's open case still, I'm pretty sure it's completely illegal, so I'm not going to show you guys the dash cam footage. But we're going to go get 2 estimates. I'll show you guys the damage, and we'll make a game plan from there. Well, here's the damage. Now, after looking at it and after having it for a couple days like this, I know a lot of you people are probably gonna be saying it's not that bad, the damage isn't too crazy, it could easily be fixed. But here's a few issues. 1, I definitely need a new door because it did crease. And 2, the quarter panel damage is always scary. I did take it to a shop and they said that it shouldn't be a problem to fix. It could be a little bit pricey, but it shouldn't be too bad. And it leaves me with, depending on how much money I get from insurance and everything, it really depends on what direction I'm gonna do with this, because I could either just fix the car or take the money and wide body it. But because if I wide body, it would just cover all the dings and dents, but again, it depends on how much I would actually get from insurance. And then it brings me to another point of, I think just having this car get hit made me kind of lose interest in this car, because this car was turning into stuff that I wanted it to be, and I did have a lot more plans for it. And now that it's a little bit smashed up, I know it's not going to be the same after it gets fixed. It could be the best body shop in the world and it's still gonna probably have some sort of remnant of being hit. And I kind of lost a lot of motivation for this car, so I don't know if I want to keep the car anymore or trade it in maybe next year and get the new Nissan Z or a Supra or something. So it puts me in a weird spot now, because I'm just of a loss of interest for the car because it got hit. I've gone through so much with this car and I don't really want to lose this car, but at the same time I know it's not going to be the same. And I know this stuff doesn't really affect drivability, and I know if any of you saw it in person, you guys would be like, oh, it looks fine, but me knowing, it's different. Sorry for the upsetting video today and short video, but that's really all I have, because you guys are part of my life. So I wanted to just kind of show you guys what happened. I got backed into, it was an accident, and it sucks really bad. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So comment, like, subscribe, keep doing all the fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.